Hi everybody, I'm making a second video about how to set up your Infinite Campus gradebook. So those of you that do Schoology to Infinite Campus, pass back, you should be able to see the Schoology video as well. You are going to need to set up both of them. So here I am in my control center, and I'm going to go over here on the left, and I'm going to click on Gradebook. And I've done this in a few of them, so I'm going to try to pick ones that I haven't done yet. So for example, I haven't set up my quantitative lit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize that. You don't have to if you don't want to. It just bothers me. And when I got to this screen by clicking this settings button right here on the left, okay? And so I'm going to click open my settings. And so the first thing I always change is the preferences. I turn off the sparkle line. I like color coding for the grades, and it's super important that you turn on the save alert. The save alert is what causes Infinite Campus to pop up that warning button. If you're going to leave the site and you forgot to save things, it's really helpful to have that there, because if you don't save them, then you will lose the grades that you're inputting. So, provided that you had your setup that you liked last semester, it's pretty easy to copy over your curriculums and categories, really. We're doing categories. Okay, so category copier is right here on the left. I clicked category copier. And I want to copy from first semester. First semester is the class that ends in an odd number. So for me, that's the top quantitative lit. And I'm going to copy it down to my new semester of new quantitative lit. So I choose where I'm going from. And then I click next, which is down here. And I click which class it's going to. The class you're copying from will be in gray, so you can't click that, but you can click the one below it. And then we're going to click copy. And so my categories should be there. And they're not going to show up right now because I don't have any grades in there. But they should be in there and they should be working. And then for every single class, you do have to turn on your grade calc options. Grade calc over here on the left is what causes Infinite Campus to actually calculate a grade. So you're going to click left on grade calc options. And you scroll down to semester. Under semester, this is where you calculate in-progress grades. I believe everyone is using BHS, RFHS scale. If not, choose the one that you've been using. And I personally weight my categories. You may or may not. If you don't, then just don't click that button. And then you go down here and click save, and your gradebook should be up and ready to roll. So if that's all you need, feel free to stop the video. For those of you that teach a semester-long class, I'm going to show you a cool little thing here. Curriculum Copier. This is where it'll copy all of your assignments from one semester to the other. So like if I was to choose last semester, let's see if I can't get, there we go. And I don't use this, I just pass back and forth, so I don't know if I can pull mine up. But this is where you would choose yours, and all of your grades should show up here. And then this is where you choose the category that you're copying them to. And then you would click next. So if that's something you want help with and you can't quite figure that out, as always, you could YouTube it. Or if you want help, come see me and I'll gladly help you do that. Bye.